In a bustling town filled with busy people and tall buildings, there was a young boy named Arav who had just moved in with his family. Starting at a new school, he was nervous and didn't know anyone. His first day felt long and lonely until he met a girl named Mira who offered to share her lunch with him when she noticed he had forgotten his own. From that day, Arav and Mira became good friends. Mira was known for her kindness, always willing to lend a helping hand to others. She would help her classmates with homework, stay after school to tidy up the classroom, and even listen to her friends when they had a rough day. Seeing her kindness inspired Arav to do the same. One day, on his way to school, Arav saw an elderly man struggling with his heavy bags. Remembering how Mira always tried to help others, he rushed over and helped carry the man's bags to his doorstep. The old man's face lit up with a grateful smile, and Arav felt a warm sense of happiness. That simple act of kindness made his day. The next week, Arav noticed a new student, Zara, sitting alone during lunch. She looked as nervous as he had felt on his first day. Arav invited her to sit with him and Mira. Zara's face brightened, and soon she joined their group of friends. As the weeks passed, Arav and Mira noticed a ripple effect. The kindness they shared spread around their classmates. One day, Arav saw a classmate, Kabir, sharing his umbrella with another student when it began to rain. Another day, Mira saw Zara helping a younger student find her way to class. It seemed that their small acts had inspired others to be kind as well. By the end of the school year, the atmosphere in their class had changed. People were more considerate and willing to help each other. Arav realized that kindness didn't have to be a grand gesture. Even the smallest act could make a difference. Moral: small acts of kindness can create a ripple effect, making the world a better place for everyone.